then there's just like your kind of cookie cutter commercial career. When I did TV, and then I did
bead. It's a type of bead, but it's
my show, but I'm never there. It's
called cognitive neuroscience, and understand why certain chords together creates dissonance in the mind and why what causes consonance. So what?
I don't have one. I don't.
So you have no choice but to play, because if you walk past her, she's going to attack your foot.
Substances, but I stopped that long ago, so I picked up other things.
Cutting your grass, what is that called? The lawnmower that cuts the grass.
But is that psychological? Is that psychological, or is that just part of your personality?
That's
he lit into me pretty good. He reduced me to tears, I'll tell you.
In other words, who would kill and eat each other, and which one would you kill and eat? And
That's if you're a Disney character and you have a wand.
It's how to get interviewed. Right now, you seem to be pretty
Perception. I got into composing and arranging and
You ready up?
I have no idea.
It's my show.
killing it for you, boy. Killing it.